In the hazy twilight of late Victorian London, the city's gas lamps sputtered unevenly, leaving many boroughs swallowed in darkness. A rising concern among the upper-class ladies was the risk of solitary promenades after dusk. Assault, harassment, and simple misstep were genuine threats. The solution arrived not in a carriage or a lock, but draped across the very body that needed protection, the illuminated evening gown. Form: the gown's skeleton was a corseted bodice of fine silk, over which a lattice of transparent glass tube filaments was sewn in a delicate, Art Nouveau motif of lilies and vines. These tubes, each no thicker than a pine needle, were fed from a discreet, brass fuel reservoir hidden in the bustle's lower knot. The reservoir housed a miniature Davy lantern, its wick fed by a gravity-fed regulator that kept a steady flame. Spiraling up the torso, the tubes converged at a gilt-etched collar, which acted as a diffuser, scattering a soft amber glow across the wearer's shoulders. Function: when ignited, the system emitted approximately 32 candle-power lumens, sufficient to illuminate the cobblestones immediately around the wearer. A tiny valve at the waist allowed the wearer to throttle the flame, shifting from a bright promenade mode to a gentle evening glow for indoor gatherings. Because the illumination source was on board, the dress rendered external street lighting unnecessary for the bearer, granting autonomous mobility after dark. Aesthetic: the gown's visual language blended the era's obsession with natural ornamentation and the nascent fascination with technology. The translucent tubes caught the ambient gaslight, turning the wearer into a moving chandelier. Hand-applied enamel work along the tube seams added iridescent highlights, while the underlying velvet lining offered a luxurious, rich contrast to the ethereal glow. The result was both a fashion statement and a public safety device, a luminous armor that celebrated femininity while confronting a societal vulnerability that no longer exists in today's electrically lit streets. The illuminated evening gown never reached mass production. It remained a prototype exhibited at the 1882 International Exhibition of Applied Arts. Yet its legacy endures as a testament to Victorian ingenuity, where fashion and function fused to illuminate a world still shrouded in the shadows of its own time.